Hey guys, here we are, and we are in Module 5. I had to stop and think. I get confused because it's like we're in Chapter 6, but we're in Module 5. So that's thrown me off this entire time. But anyway, just want to go over a few details of this week and what we've got coming up. You've got your first really big assignment, and that is your film review. So make sure that you're on target with that. That you have that completed, and that will be due April the 7th. So you've had plenty of time. You will have had, 6 weeks to have worked on it. So make sure that you get that completed, that you watch your film, that you follow all the instructions. If you've got some questions about the assignment, it should be listed. I've moved it down to the film review, the cultural film for this week. So just make sure that you look at what's expected, what you've got to do. We don't want any surprises. You can also look in the syllabus, but it's got to be 2 to 3 pages, double spaced. And it's an analysis of that film and really going over the concepts that we've looked at over these last few weeks. And you should be much more in tune with what we're talking about and what to look for in those films, just so you'll know more about it, just from what we've discussed over these last few weeks. But this week, what we're going to be talking about is understanding situations and what goes into that when it comes to dealing with intercultural or any type of cultural, cross-cultural, intercultural, however you want to phrase it, but just understanding those situations and understanding our biases that we have. And then we've got an article, is it weird, rude, or different? I like that title. And just talking about that and a discussion post that goes with that, talking about cross-cultural situations and just how we deal with them. But again, your big assignment of the week, a big assignment for this class, because it counts for a lot of points. So do not sleep on this assignment. You'll need to make sure that you get it in. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You guys also should be working on your case study that's due, and that's not due until the end of the class. But again, work on that. Remember that we have the Writing Center. So if you are not the strongest writer or don't feel like you're the strongest writer, then go ahead and reach out to the Writing Center. You can start writing your paper now. You can send it to them. They'll help you with any type of corrections. They'll read it, but you need an appointment, but you can email that in. So if you feel like you need help, make sure that you submit that and get it to the Writing Center. All right, you guys have a great week, and if you need me, I'm here.